Hello and welcome to Your Questions Answered with Father Gruner. I'm John Veneri. In this program, we take the questions that you send us and Father Gruner answers them, and we have discussions, we talk about them. So continue to send them to us, please. questions@thefatimacenter.com. Today's question is, I heard that lay people are having the reservation of the Blessed Sacrament in their homes because they don't have it at their parish. Could you please discuss this? So what do we say about that?
Well, it's such a broad question. It reminds me of that false apparition of Ladeira in Portugal.
Or the Locket.
The Locket host, and they would have. I presume she's still not alive by now. This is going back to the 70s, but that maybe her successor would go around the place and bring, apparent hosts. I've seen one because I actually was able to retain it from a person, and I believe it was a curse from the devil. But anyway, that's a whole other story. But if these people the story would go that they needed to have the Blessed Sacrament for making reparation to the Blessed Sacrament, and they couldn't trust their parish priests or whatever. So it reminds me of a story like that. I mean, there may be some other story going on. So I just would say in general, first of all, that they can't have the Blessed Sacrament in their homes without the permission of their bishop, if I recall. So if the bishop's permitting it, and at the same time they don't have it at their, and I think that there is THEIR, their parish, the bishop should know that their parish priest is not having it. I think this is connecting to some sort of, shall we say, apparent but not real Catholic movement.
Yes, I keep my ear to the tracks of a lot of what's going on, and I haven't heard of this being a widespread problem. Now, maybe
I've not heard of it either, except that there would be another explanation for it. Would be, the Sedevacantist would also say that they don't have it in their parish for their own theological
that could
visiting.
be, yeah.
And so, again, I don't know, but it sounds like a group of people who are not really practicing the faith as has always been taught, from what I can tell. Now, there may be something, but you need more details to go into it than just.
Yes, because
So who are these lay people? I mean, maybe they don't. If you say I know who they are, or are they? Is it a group? Is it one individual? Is it and are they attached to some other movement or group, or are they really Catholic? Do they profess or are they saying that that we haven't had a pope for 50 years, or what is it? Who are these people we're talking about? Because then, as St. Thomas said when he was asked a question, he spent about a week answering it, and he wrote to the religious brother who was asking him, says, if you be more specific in your question, I could do a better job. But so I could go on for a long time talking about this and still not answer the question.
Yes, because the Blessed Sacrament is the property of the Church.
Yes,
it's not our property. We are privileged to receive it, and He gave it to us for us. But it is the custodian is the Church.
Yeah, and I've heard of scandalous things going on the internet. People selling the Blessed Sacrament from communion in the hand, which is why the communion in the hand is still forbidden by law to this day. Even though, despite what anybody says, it's still in the books, and I've studied the matter quite a bit, and I'm quite prepared to defend myself and defend this position in public. It doesn't matter to me, but the law says, where there's danger of sacrilege, it cannot be given. Obviously, there's danger of sacrilege. It's going on. There's seven rules and two principles which is written by Paul VI in 1968. And they're not obeying them, and therefore they have to obey those principles and rules. Otherwise, they're not allowed to give communion in the hand. But anyway, so where are they getting this Blessed Sacrament from? Is the next question. Are they buying it, stealing it, or whatever? Are we talking about Satanists here? I really don't know who we're talking about. Okay, so it's hard to answer. Get much more,
But the short answer is no.
Yeah. No, they shouldn't be doing it. No,
they shouldn't be doing it. Yes.
Yes.
So, anyway, okay. Well, that's all for this then, and we can close this episode, and we will see you on the next broadcast. Thank you.